Hello YouTube and Turbo Stackers. Turbo here. Today I'm going to open up a $500 box from SD Bullion that I just received. Okay, let's get to it. Let's rip this guy open. Okay, boy, that was a whip. All right, here we go from the Solid Bearing Store. Awesome. All right. Well, as I mentioned in one of my other videos, I love these 100-ounce mini monster boxes from SD Bullion. They help me stack a lot faster, especially coins, of course. But I traditionally just do either generic or silver eagles, and that's what each of these are for. I have a tube of each that I need to start a new monster box or mini monster box on. So here we go. We got two of these. All right, let's see what else. Oh, here we go again. Let's see if I learned from the last one. All right, here we go. Move that guy out of the way. Oh my gosh, more of it. All right, here we go. Get these guys open, but if you can see, they are the Rifleman Scottsdale Cowboy Series rounds. All right, open. This one isn't going to be as difficult because I've figured out these are bags. I should have known that, but I just haven't bought online in a while and forgot how they set these up. All right, so number one. All right, look at that. That is beautiful. That's oh, that's beautiful. Let's see if you can get a good look there. All right. So this is the 5-ounce Rifleman Round Cowboy Series from Scottsdale Mint. 5 ounces. That's a beautiful 5-ounce round. Look at that. All right. So there's one, and the last item I bought was the Commander Series Ulysses S grants from Scottsdale Mint and SD Bullion. This is a 5-ounce round series. I think this is number 5, number 6. I'll have to do a video on the series that I have here. All right, so there you go. I got 2 5-ounce rounds, 2 1-ounce rounds, and 2 100-ounce mini monster boxes. Okay, Turbo Stackers, with that, I'm going to let you guys get on to your evening and weekend. I appreciate your time. I'm going to try to drop another video over the weekend that I've been working on for a little bit. So be on the lookout for that. Otherwise, as you were, Turbo out.